A very good afternoon to the excellences, distinguished guests, teacher and my dear friends. Today I want to share my thought on this stage about karma is boomerang. This karmic energy will be conditioned in our thoughts, and that is how we react in our daily life. The awareness and understanding of the meaning of karma gives us the ability to choose which seed we water and which we don't. Without understanding, we do not have to set a thought process to use karma as a force or energy for our personal and spiritual development. You need to first understand the actual meaning of karma, identify your karmic force, then you can work on energy it holds you back. Thus can we let go of them and can take control of our life for goods. Life always teaches you and makes you experience whatever is helpful for the evaluation of your consequences. Our actions and thoughts are creating energy around us all the time. You have negative energy accumulating in your mind. But if you react with peace and calmness in all the time, you are acquiring a positive mind soul. My grandmother told me, what goes around comes around. Hence be good and do good. She is trying to teach me a karma theory when I was a young lad. But when I started realizing it more and more, I had calculated it with my actions plus cause and effect. What goes around comes around in the same or some other form, that is karma. The universe looks after people who help others. Always focus on giving others, not thinking about returns. What values can I add to my family, friends, colleagues, my team? My purpose is to awaken the possibilities in other people. Your people and emotional skills play a major role in your success than your technical skills. Remember, it is not what you have, it is what are you going to do with what you have. Be a karma yogi from today. Today is the first of the rest of your life. A few quotes of wisdom from Sir Bhagavad Gita. A karma yogi acts by body, mind, intellect and senses without attachments, only self-purification. Do you work with welfare of others? Always in mind. A few quotes to ponder. I helped a man to climb a mountain, found that I had to reach the top. Life is truly a boomerang. What you give, you get. Firstly, there are no punishments, only lessons to be learned from the soul to grow spiritually. It is the universal way of balancing karma. If the lessons are not learned in the current lifetime, it will pass on to the next. It will pass on to the next lifetime. Karma is a concept of Hinduism. Karma is a justice. It does not reward or punish. It's not show favoritism because you have to earn all that we receive. Since karma is elusive, it is something we will never have the capacity to demonstrate or refute it. In addition to the different types of karma, there are also 12 laws of karma. The 12 laws of karma are originated from Hindu and Buddhist. In belief system, basically says in these 12 laws of karma or in these schools of thoughts are tool for interpreting energy, how it works on our universe. Karma translates the word action. In my understanding, the karma helps us to understand our action and cause affect ourselves. We all hear the terms, what goes around comes around. We have probably attended once or twice. When on receiving end of a misdeed or a bad behavior, it will back and bite to you. Not to be worried about the karma. Just do good and do it very perfect. You are not afraid for karma. Thank you for giving me such a golden opportunity. Thank you.